હાય એવરીવન, ગુડ મોર્નિંગ. ફરી એકવાર હું તમારા બધાનું સ્વાગત કરું છું. મિત્રો, ફર્સ્ટ યુનિટ અગેન્સ્ટ ધી ઓડ્સની આપણે શોર્ટ નોટ્સ જોઈ લીધી અને આજે આપણે યુનિટ નંબર 2 ધ હ્યુમન રોબોટ એમાં જે આઈએમપી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ છે એની આપણે ચર્ચા કરીશું. ફરીથી નોટબુક લઈને તૈયાર થઈ જાઓ. હું જે રીતે લખાવું એ રીતે તમારે લખવાનું છે. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 11, write a short note using the given questions, total 3 marks. Number 1, Ramsing 070 the human robot. પહેલાં ટાઇટલ લગાવી દો અને એની નીચે જેટલા પણ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ દેખાય છે એ પણ તમારી નોટબુકમાં તમે લખી લો. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1, what was the color of the robot? Next question, what could he do? Next, which were the 3 principles that were inbuilt in his system? Next question, was he thoroughly efficient? How? Next question, what did he steal for Prem Chopra? Next, when was he caught? And the last question, what happened in the end? Your answer, friends. Start writing. Ramsing was a metallic, METALLIC, metallic blue robot. Full stop, continue. He was perfectly programmed. PROGRAMMED. He was perfectly programmed to function in the household. HOUSEHOLD. It's a one word. Household, comma, cleaning, comma, arranging, comma, collecting groceries, GROCERIES, collecting groceries from the supermarket, comma, tending, TENDING, tending the lawn, LAWN, tending the lawn, comma, mailing, MAILING, mailing letters, comma, relating TV programs, comma, selecting news from the paper. Full stop. Continue. He had an article an inbuilt system of, I repeat, he had an inbuilt system of 3 principles. The robot will obey his master, comma, the robot will not harm humans, and the robot will not take harm to self. Full stop, continue. Ramsing 070 was thoroughly efficient. સ્ક્રીન પર જુઓ, પહેલા નંબરની શોર્ટ નોટની અંદર ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 4 છે, એમાં લખ્યું છે thoroughly efficient, comma, with tremendous, TREMENDOUS tremendous speed and accuracy. ACCURACY, accuracy. He stole expensive, EXPENSIVE. He stole expensive antiques, 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 comma, ornaments, 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 and precious, PRECIOUS, precious stones, अमूल्य पत्थरों, precious stones for Prem Chopra, comma, his master, full stop. Continue. At last, at LAST, last, he was caught, CAUGHT. At last, he was caught stealing precious gems, रत्नो, GEMS, gems એટલે રત્નો, અમૂલ્ય રત્નો, precious gems, full stop. Continue. When he was produced in the court, comma, Ram Singh chose, CHOSE, Ram Singh chose to break, BREAK, to break apart, APART, to break apart, rather than tell a lie, LIE. I repeat my sentence. When he was produced in the court, comma, Ram Singh chose to break apart rather than tell a lie, comma, hurt human beings, or become unfaithful, full stop. મિત્રો, સેકન્ડ જે શોર્ટ નોટ છે એ આ પ્રમાણે છે, નોટબુકમાં લખી લેજો. Conflict of Ram Singh 070 with himself. And the questions are, what is Ram Singh 070? Who purchased him from where? Next question, what was Ram Singh made to do by his master? Next question, was he caught stealing? Next question, what happened to him in the court? Next, did he suffer any mental conflict? Next, did he reveal any secret? Next, what was his conflict? And the last question, what did he do in the end? Your answer is, મિત્રો લખજો, હવે શોર્ટ નોટ લખજો, સ્ટાર્ટ રાઇટિંગ. Ram Singh 070 is a robot. Prem Chopra purchased, PURCHASED, purchased it. Ram Chopra purchased it from the Super Robot Plaza. Full stop. Continue. He was made to steal, STEAL, to steal jewelries, JEWELLLERIS, jewelries and other precious articles from different shops in the market. Full stop, continue. While Ramsing 070 was trying to steal precious gems from Jhaveri Brothers, J capital, Jhaveri Brothers, Jhaveri Brothers, comma, he was caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught, red-handed, he was caught, red-handed in the cameras, capable of split, S-P-L-I-T, split second recording, full stop. He was summoned, S-U-M-M-O-N-E-D. He was summoned to the court where he was asked to reveal the secret of the theft, T-H-E-F-T, theft એટલે ચોરી. I repeat my sentence. He was summoned to the court where he was asked to reveal the secret of the theft, but he did not disobey his master's commands. But he did not disobey his master's commands. Full stop, continue. He did not reveal his master's name. Full stop, continue. He suffered, S-U-F-F-E-R-E-D. He suffered a lot of mental conflict. He suffered a lot of mental conflict. Full stop, continue. If he revealed the name of his masters, comma, he would have disobeyed, D-I-S-O-B-E-Y-E-D, disobeyed him, and thus, T-H-U-S-E, and thus broke, B-R-O-K-E, broke the inbuilt robotic principles. Robotic, R-O-B-O-T-I-C, robotic principles. Full stop, continue. He had caused, C-A-U-S-E-D, he had caused harm, H-A-R-M, harm to people by stealing things, and thus broke the robotic principle, and thus broke the robotic principle of not causing any harm to human being. Full stop, continue. Though, T-H-O-U-G-H, though he was a machine man, comma, he felt like human being and did not betray, TRAY, betray એટલે છેતરવું. Betray his master. Full stop, continue. If he had revealed the secret, if he had revealed the secret, comma, it could have been injurious, INJURIOUS, it could have been injurious to his own existence, to his own existence, EXISTANCE, existence, a threat, THREAT, a threat to his life. Full stop, continue. If he revealed them, comma, he would have disobeyed his master, comma, if he did not do so, comma, he would harm people. Full stop, continue. This was the conflict, CONFLICT. This was the conflict that was going on in his mind, and this conflict brought, BROUGHT, and this conflict brought his to end, and this conflict brought him to end. He chose to break apart. Rather than telling a lie, comma, hurting human beings, or becoming unfaithful to his master, Full stop. મિત્રો, અહીંયા આગળ આપણે આ બંને શોર્ટ નોટ્સ પૂરી કરી. મિત્રો, શોર્ટ નોટ્સને તમે તમારી નોટબુકમાં લખી છે અને વાંચતા રહેજો, સમજતા રહેજો, સતત એનો અભ્યાસ કરતા રહેજો. આપણે નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ મળીશું, અને જ્યારે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ મળવાના છે ત્યારે યુનિટ નંબર 3, એન ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ વિથ અરુણ કૃષ્ણમૂર્તિ, આ જે યુનિટ છે એમાં જેટલી મોસ્ટ આઈએમપી શોર્ટ નોટ્સ આવે છે એની ચર્ચા કરીશું. તો અહીંયા આ વિડીયો લેક્ચર પૂર્ણ કરીએ છીએ. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ મિત્રો ફોર બિંગ હિયર.